Is your home really as safe as you think? It only takes one small thing: a loose rug, a stack of magazines on the floor, an electrical cord stretched across the hallway, for a normal day to turn into a dangerous fall. And after 60, even a single fall can change everything. Weeks of recovery, loss of confidence, and in some cases, loss of independence. But here's the good news: keeping your home safe and organized doesn't take a huge renovation, just a few simple changes. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 Hsenior smart secrets that protect you every single day. And wait until you see secret number 4. It's something so many seniors overlook, yet it could literally prevent the kind of accident that sends thousands to the ER every year. After 60, a cluttered home isn't just frustrating, it can be dangerous. In fact, falls are the #1 cause of serious injury among older adults. One misstep on a slippery rug, one box left in a hallway, one poorly lit corner, and suddenly life looks very different. But here's the encouraging truth: staying safe doesn't require expensive renovations or moving out of the home you love. With a few simple, Hsenior smart organization secrets, you can turn every room into a place of comfort, peace, and, most importantly, protection. These are small changes that make a big difference. Less stress, less risk, and more freedom to enjoy life on your terms. In this video, we'll walk through 10 easy ways to make your home both safe and beautifully organized. They're practical, affordable, and designed for real people, not magazine photos. And remember, tip number 4 isn't just about tidiness. It's about preventing an accident that sends thousands of older adults to the ER every year. Stay with us to the end. Your independence is worth it. Let's start with 3 quick wins that instantly make your home safer without spending much money or time. Secret number 1: use clear bins for daily items. Instead of leaving keys, glasses, or mail scattered on tables, keep them in clear containers. You'll see everything at a glance, and you won't waste time hunting for essentials. Less clutter, less stress, and no tripping over that mystery pile on the floor. Secret number 2: create a drop zone near the door. Designate one basket or shelf by your entryway for shoes, bags, and coats. This keeps walkways clear and prevents clutter from spreading through the entire house. Plus, it makes heading out or welcoming guests smoother and safer. Secret number 3: keep pathways wide and furniture minimal. Rearranging furniture costs nothing, yet it's one of the most powerful ways to prevent falls. Make sure every hallway, living room, and bedroom has a straight, open path with no obstacles. If you have chairs, tables, or decorative items you barely use, consider donating or moving them aside. Your home will instantly feel calmer and safer to navigate, day or night. These quick wins don't just make your home look better, they also reduce the chance of tripping, slipping, or bumping into something when you're not paying attention. Remember, safety and style can go hand in hand. Secret number 4 could literally save you from a fall. It sounds simple, but it's one of the most overlooked dangers in senior homes: loose rugs. You may not even notice them. A little curl at the edge, a rug that slides an inch when you step on it. But that single inch is enough to catch your toe, send you off balance, and put you on the floor. And after 60, one bad fall can mean months of recovery, lost confidence, and even the risk of losing your independence. The fix? A simple non-slip pad or double-sided rug tape. For less than $10, you can make every rug in your home safe and secure. No sliding, no shifting, no hidden traps. It takes minutes to do, but it could save you from a trip to the emergency room. Ask yourself, is that rug in the hallway worth risking your health? Or would you rather walk with total confidence, knowing your floors are safe? Don't wait until after a fall to take action. Do it now and protect yourself before an accident happens. Secret number 5: store heavy items at waist height. No more climbing stools or bending low for that heavy pot. Keeping weight where your body is strongest reduces strain and helps you stay self-sufficient. Secret number 6: use bold, easy-to-read labels. Clear labeling isn't just for memory. It saves time, prevents frustration, and keeps your kitchen or closet running smoothly. Big print, high contrast, no more guessing which container has sugar and which has salt. Secret number 7: keep essentials in one accessible spot. Whether it's your daily meds, your reading glasses, or your favorite tea, Having them within reach reduces unnecessary trips and keeps life simple and safer. Keeping your home organized isn't about being neat for neatness. Sake, it's about creating a space that works with you, not against you. That's where secrets number 5, number 6, and number 7 come in: small storage and labeling. Tricks that quietly protect your body, your memory, and your independence. Secret number 5, store heavy items at waist height. Think about the strain you feel when you reach high for a cast iron pan or crouch low for a stack of books. Those moments of imbalance are prime opportunities for injury. By moving heavy objects, whether in your kitchen, laundry room, or garage, to shelves around waist level, you're letting your strongest muscles do the work and removing the temptation to climb on stools or bend awkwardly. This isn't just convenience, it's fall prevention in disguise. Secret number 6, use bold, easy-to-read labels. Vision changes with age, and so does our ability to quickly recognize objects. A jar of sugar looks an awful lot like a jar of salt until you take a closer look. By labeling your containers, bins, and drawers with big, high-contrast text, you cut out the guesswork. It's not about memory lapses, it's about efficiency. Imagine never fumbling through drawers or squinting at faded print again. Your home becomes a place where everything feels simple and stress-free. Secret number 7, keep essentials in one accessible spot. How many times have you gone from room to room looking for your glasses, your phone, or your medication? Every extra trip is an opportunity for a stumble or bump, and it drains energy. By designating one tidy station where you keep your daily must-haves, you eliminate unnecessary movement and frustration. This isn't laziness, it's strategy, and it keeps you steady and self-reliant. These aren't big, expensive fixes. They're quiet changes that give you control over your environment, your energy, and your safety. And when your home works for you, you're free to spend your time enjoying life, not worrying about where you left your blood pressure pills. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these home safety secrets surprised you the most? Was it something simple, like moving heavy items to waist height, so you're not straining your back? Or maybe that $10 rug pad that could literally save you from a fall? Sometimes, the smallest fixes make the biggest difference. Have you already tried any of these safety tricks? Maybe you've labeled your shelves so you're never searching for essentials. Maybe you cleared those walkways and finally stopped tripping over that old footstool. Share your experience in the comments. Your story could be the very thing that helps another senior avoid a serious accident. This channel is all about helping you stay safe, happy, and independent in your golden years. We're building a community where every tip, every story, and every small victory gets celebrated. If you want more simple ways to protect your home and your freedom, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss the next life-saving secret. So, which tip are you trying first? Drop your answer below. Let's get the conversation going. Because when we share what works, we're not just making our homes safer, we're helping each other stay strong.